morning, guys. It is Thursday morning and I am all packed up and ready to head home. I actually have a pretty busy day today, so kind of just getting up and out early. Last night was so much fun. The restaurant was amazing, and then we ended up doing a movie night and we watched a movie called Dumplin', and it was really sweet and it made me cry, and it was just so good. So highly recommend if you're looking for a family friendly type of movie to watch. I really enjoyed it. So I am going to be headed home now. I have to get a couple of quotes out this morning, and I have my training at 12, and then tonight is my Patreon Halloween party, so I'm really excited for that, but I want to prepare for that as well. So sadly, I need to leave the lake and all of this beautiful atmosphere that I am again looking at right now. All of the beautiful leaves changing color. It's just so pretty here, but it's time to head home. I just got home and I made myself, I guess this would be called brunch because it's about 11:30. I just have peanut butter toast and a fruit smoothie, and I need to get straight to work. Okay, so it's already 3:30. I have been working all day. I have just been super busy getting quotes out and training and just all of the things. So I've been at my desk for the last few hours, and as expected, coming home from being away for a night, I have so much work ahead of me in the house. The dishes are overflowing. I don't have dinner in the oven. I don't even know what I'm making, and the house is kind of chaos right now, which just gives me a lot of anxiety. My bed isn't made. That kind of puts me over the edge. So I really need to get away from my desk for a little while and get some housework done, because that's really pressing right now. And plus I have to figure out dinner, and I have, like I said before, my Patreon Halloween party tonight, which I wanted to prep for because I had planned on doing some fun stuff, and I just need to prepare for that. So that's what's going on. Sorry I didn't have much to share today, but I legit have been sitting at my desk all day and just kind of heads down doing quotes and getting work done. This book just came in the mail. It's Nicholas Sparks' The Wish, and I'm doing this book for my town book club for our holiday book, and I haven't read a Nicholas Sparks book in the longest time, and I really didn't even at first realize this takes place, or at least part of it takes place, at Christmas time. So I thought it would be perfect, although I am sure it's going to make me cry because all of his books just make me very emotional. But I absolutely love the cover. It is now almost 6 o'clock at night, 5:45, and I just got back from my son Patrick's soccer game, last game of the season. They won. They were so excited. I'm so glad I was able to make it. But now I have to figure out something really quick for dinner, get together all of the things that I need for my Patreon Halloween. I'm like out of breath for my Halloween party. And yeah, it's just been such a busy day. I don't know if I really shared anything with you guys today. I'm so sorry. I've just been like going from one thing to the next, and I really haven't had an opportunity to share very much, but hopefully there'll be something here that's worthwhile. Hi guys. Hi. Oh, Leo. You guys ready? Oh my goodness, you guys. You ready for dinner? Yeah? Come on. I know you must be so hungry. I know you are. All right, it's dinner time. Yes, it is. This is the most exciting time of the day. I love this bowl. I don't know if you guys have ever seen a bowl like this, but it just slows them down when they eat super fast. This one is Chester's because he's the fast eater. All right, let me feed these guys. Okay, I'm totally winging it, but I think this sounds like a good idea. I have some vegetable oil with some of the Hidden Valley Ranch salad dressing seasoning, and I mixed it up in this pan, and then I'm just gonna marinate the chicken in there and see if Jim will throw it on the grill so we can have just like a quick seasoned grilled chicken. Okay, so here's what I managed. I have the chicken in the marinade, and then I'm making some green beans, and I'm gonna have some quinoa as well, just the quick boil and bag. I think what we're gonna do is guess how many pumpkins are in the pumpkins. And then the winner is going to get a very special prize over on Patreon. But this is so cute. So this pumpkin was actually my grandmother's, and it was one of those glass pumpkins that you would get at Dunkin' Donuts, I believe, with the munchkins in it. And it's so old, and I just love it. Okay guys, so I just finished my Patreon Halloween party. I was a wolf, in case you're wondering. this is my costume. Threw it together super quick. These are actually from Great Wolf Lodge when I took Madison and her friends there for her birthday, and I felt like they really matched my fleece well, so that worked out. And that's gonna be it for today. I have no idea what I have to share with you guys for today because it was just really a lot going on, but I hope that you enjoyed coming along anyway, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night.